Hello, viewers. Once more again, we welcome you to Remedial One YouTube channel. Myself and Mr. Samuel Boateng, Prempe College Head of MEV Department, is on the line with us once more again. Mr. Boateng, the line is yours.
Good evening once again. You are welcome to Remedial One YouTube channel. I hope you are following our project. This is the time that we want you people to enjoy mathematics. Mathematics is supposed to be enjoyed, not to see it as a difficult subject. That's our main purpose. We just want the mathematics to be interesting to every student.
Yeah.
So today we want to do something about algebraic expression. There are many parts, but we want to concentrate on factorization. And under factorization, we have so many ways of factorizing an algebraic expression. And we want to narrow it to quadratic trinomial. Now, when you have algebraic expression, which is quadratic, in fact, this channel is about solving questions, but sometimes we need to explain certain things for you to understand.
Yes.
Trinomial is an algebraic expression with 3 terms. So when you look at this thing here, you have 3 terms: first term, second term, and then third term. We qualify it to be quadratic because the variable involved has a power of 2. A power of 2. How do we factorize quadratic trinomial? Therefore, check the coefficient of the quadratic variable. You check the constant term. Yes. In this case, the coefficient of the quadratic variable is 6. You multiply 6 by minus 6, minus 36. We find the factors of minus 36. You consider the negative aspect and then the positive aspect. So let's look at the negative factors of 36, minus 36. You are going to have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12, minus 18, minus 36. Answer, you write the positive ones: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18. Okay. Now, after getting the factors of 36, both negative and then the positive, you pick 2 of the factors. It could be both negative or both positive, or 1 negative and 1 positive. Now, when you multiply, you get minus 36. When you add, you get the coefficient of the middle term, that's minus 5. So looking through the factors, you could minus 9 and 4. Let's test it. Minus 9 times 4 will give you minus 36. And then minus 9 plus 4 is equal to minus 5. Yes. So the 2 factors satisfy both cases. So what we are going to do, let's go back to the question. After getting your factors, we have 6x squared minus 5x minus 6. So you come to the next step, equal to, remember, this is an algebraic expression. To go to the next level, use equal to. Equal to, we break the middle term into 9 and 6. We have not changed it. We are just rewriting minus 5. So 6x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 6. Yes. So when you look at it, minus 9x plus 4x factors. The next thing is we need to group them. So we group 6x squared and then 9x squared. You put them in bracket. Yes, you put them in bracket. So let's come to the next stage. So the first bracket, you find the common factor. So 6x squared and 9x. You could see that 3x can go into 3x out. Then to go to 6x squared, 2x minus 3, bracket close, plus the second bracket, 2 outside. Then we have 2x minus 3. So with this type of factorization, whatever you get in the first bracket, you should get the same thing in the second bracket. So you do what is called refactorization, because 2x minus 3 is common. So we bring 2x minus 3 out, go to then bracket 3x plus 2. Good. This to get your maximum point. So let's go to the next question. We have another question on the screen. Factorize x squared plus 4x plus 3 plus mx plus 3m. Because this is an applied question. Here we have about 5 terms. Looking at the question carefully, you can group the first 3 terms. Yes. For the last 2, we have a common factor, which is m. And then the first 3 terms too, you can use quadratic trinomial to factorize. Now, if you don't do it this way, it will be very difficult for you to solve this. Yes. So m out, x plus 3. So let's factorize x squared plus. Here the factors will be 1 and then 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. As 1 times 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then you break the middle term, which is 4x, into 1 and 3, equal to, bring your equal sign, plus x plus 3x plus 3 plus m into bracket x plus 3. Okay, so this one we group them, x squared and x, and then 3x plus 3. Okay, next step, equal to, we factorize, the common factor is x, bring x out, so x plus 1 plus, here 3x and 3, common factor is 3, x plus 1. Plus m to bracket x plus 3. So the next step, see we have x plus 1, we bring it out, x plus 1. It's common factor. Then it will be left with x plus 3 plus m times x plus 3. We are not done yet. Some people may leave their answer this way. Now, when you leave your answer this way, bear in mind that you not get a full mark, but there are still common terms or common factor to be factorized. You see that x plus 3 is common in both terms. So we bring it out. We bring x plus 3 out. X plus 3 in bracket. Now, when you bring it out, it will be left with here x plus 1. Yes, plus m. Bracket close. Yes, at this point, there's nothing that we can do in terms of factorization, so you leave it. Yes. So care must be taken when you are solving such a question.
Yes.
Another question, and this is somehow similar to the last but one question that we saw, the previous one. The same concept. There's one part, quadratic trinomial, then there's 9r. Okay, so let's look at the quadratic trinomial. The quadratic trinomial. Factorize. So equal to, and the rule is the coefficient of the variable squared is 1. So the factors are -1, -1. So as usual, we break the middle term. We break the middle term into those. So m squared minus mn, mn minus another mn plus n squared minus 9r. Okay, equal to, so bracket open, m squared minus mn, bracket close, minus out, bracket open, mn, so that place will be minus n squared. So that when you multiply through, you still get your plus. So you close the bracket, minus 9r. So the 9r, let's keep it like that. We make use of it. So equal to, let's factorize. In the second bracket, you see that m is common. So you bring it out, leaving m minus n. Bracket close, minus. Here to n is common. Bring n out. You have m minus n. Close the bracket. Minus nr. Okay. Equal to, let's step. So you have m minus n in bracket times another m minus n minus 9r. And you don't end here. You are not there yet. So m minus n times m minus n, we can write it as m minus n all squared. Go to. Now look at the expression very well. M minus n all squared is a perfect square. And then minus 9, 2 is a perfect square. It's only r which is not a perfect square. So we need to do something about it. We can use difference of 2 squares. So we can rewrite this. Let's go to the next step. Equal. So to use difference of 2 squares, we need to rewrite r to make it a perfect square. So we can write it as root r. Yes. All squared. Root r all squared. Yes. So m minus n m minus n all squared minus bracket open 3 root r all squared. Yes. So with this, we can apply difference of two squares equal to, so bracket open, so m minus n minus. So applying difference of two squares, we have m minus n minus 3 root r in one bracket. Let's close it. Another bracket, m minus n plus 3 root r. To close it. Yes. So as I said, this question is very technical, so you keep in mind. So viewers, as I've said, this question is very technical, and most of the time students find it difficult to go about it. So please watch the video so many times and then get the secret, get the tricks, the secret of solving this type of question. One thing you need to bear in mind is you always have to look at the trinomial first. Look at the trinomial, and then you maintain the other term. So when we work on the trinomial, I think it will become clear, as you can see in the solution, where we had m minus n all squared minus 9r. So if you understand your algebraic expression very well, you see that this aspect you need to use difference of two squares. This difference of two squares. Okay, viewers, this is where we will come to the end of today's solutions to Wassce questions on algebraic expression. I'm Samuel Boateng from Prempeh College. In case you need further tuition, this is my number, 0242307846. Don't hesitate to WhatsApp me, to call me for further tuition. Right? We just want to help you to make your A1